This Smart TV's local preview walks through Fire TV Orange Blink. Watch the remote action first, then match the highlighted target on the TV. An orange blinking Fire TV remote usually means Bluetooth pairing is lost. Start with fresh batteries and stay close to the stick. Hold home for about 10 seconds. Do not tap it. Keep holding until the remote enters pairing mode. If home does not pair it, unplug the Fire TV stick for 30 seconds. Pair again after the home screen returns. Use the Fire TV app as a temporary remote. It lets you navigate settings even while the physical remote keeps blinking. After you regain control, go to My Fire TV, About, and check for updates. Software bugs can break remote pairing. Move Bluetooth speakers, controllers, and crowded USB hubs away from the stick. Then try pairing one more time. That is the guided path. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TVs article, model notes, and fallback options.